Hello, everyone. My name is David Albertazzi, and I'm Director of IT Novarica's Retail Banking and Payments Practice. Thank you so much for spending some of your valuable time with us today. So we're going to spend the next 45 minutes or so walking through what we see as some of the top 10 trends driving the retail banking and payments environment in 2023. We have a great lineup of speakers. And today's presentation is really meant to provide a high-level snapshot of the industry. As an IT Novarica Group client, if you have any questions from our speakers, please reach out to us anytime after the webinar, and we'll be happy to take a deeper dive into any of the topics we will cover today. So our theme for this year's top trends is balancing stability and growth amid economic volatility. What we've learned coming out of the pandemic is that the financial services industry has been one of transformation, survival, and somewhat of a roller coaster ride. And their vendors were quick on their feet to adjust and manage whether they wanted it or not. Their organization survival depended on quick recalibration and action. So now financial institutions are really pressured to balance stability while keeping growth in mind in 2023. They also have to manage evolving customer expectation from Gen Zers to boomers and keep up with technological advances while acknowledging the changing world around us. A large number of consumers are now turning to fintechs and challenger banks. However, greater regulatory scrutiny and a tough economic environment will make for a tumultuous year for alternative credit, particularly in the buy now, pay later space. And providers will really need to assist consumers in tracking their obligations and educate them on the hazards of overextension. Although cards are sure to maintain a leadership position through 2023, they may give up some volume to the growing threats of alternative payments. Merchant and payment acceptance will continue to be a very complex challenge, and merchants will need to optimize their payment acceptance strategy. So expect to see the payment orchestration vendor category grow. As the competition for deposits continues, financial institutions' messaging will showcase the value deposits hold in their banking strategy. However, they will need to ensure that product offerings foster ease of doing business and frictionless interactions while having the right products and channels available to meet their customers' needs. Climate change now becomes front and center for financial institutions. There are a few green banking initiatives in the market today, and consumer demand will rise in 2023. Fintech firms will undoubtedly make a green play for market share, and smart institutions will take advantage of this green opportunity as well. The metaverse is indeed a thing. It's a thing that will create a lot of value for companies that understand the space and consumer behaviors within it as the metaverse grows towards critical mass. So as the landscape continues to get more and more complex, financial institutions will be looking to fintechs and to their existing providers on using technology as a way to further deepen consumer relationship. So with this context, I would like to pass it on to my colleague Thad Peterson, who's going to talk about how the explosion in payments alternatives is challenging payments. Thad, over to you.